Well, I think our transportation issues are somewhat complicated because we have a very complicated transportation system in the U.S. I say in the near term, in the next couple of years, of course, we're going to be dealing with rail issues, rail service issues, mostly because of the mass volume of freight demand on our rail mode right now. But I would say longer term, the bigger concern would be investment in our waterways, inland navigation system, simply because of the volume of freight that moves down that river system, and predominantly agriculture freight, corn and soybeans accessing international markets. And so I'd say our investment there, the risks of losing that system is quite high, and just because of our lack of investment over the last 15 or 20 years. And that could have very severe consequences in rural America, and certainly for agriculture, because it depends upon that mode. As we look at our country relative to other countries in the world with whom we compete with agriculture exports, and look at our investments in our transportation infrastructure here relative to these other countries such as Brazil, China, other countries in South America that have made tremendous investments in their transportation infrastructure, and how that has changed the competitive landscape for agricultural exports. This is something that I think we as a country and we as farm organizations should be concerned about, because transportation, the efficient movement of products is paramount in being able to identify and access export markets, and that's critical for our agriculture producers in this country.